we're giving it our best shot today. Check it out. We're pouring this whole sidewalk with concrete bags. So it's a 70 square foot in total here. We've got 3 steps going in, and it added up to around 60 bags that we're going to be using. So we've got 41 here, and then 19 still in the truck bed. We've got about a 7 bag mixer here, so that's going to be pretty helpful. But yeah, I don't know if anybody here has tried something like this with bags, but today we're going to demonstrate how you can do it. Got this little chute here that my grandpa made because the bucket falls short of it, so it'll just fall into there, go into the slab, and then we'll rake it in. So without further ado, I'm gonna put you guys in time-lapse mode and we'll get it poured. All right, so all the concrete is down now, and we've cleaned up some tools and cleaned up our work area here. This is what we're looking like. We've got about probably 20 minutes at least of downtime until it's cured enough when we can start hitting edges and slicking it over a little bit. But the stairs are super wet, which is okay because I'd rather not be rushing, but this is what we're looking like right now. I'll be back in about 20 minutes for when we start finishing it. All right, so the concrete's set up a little bit now. I already edged probably, I don't know, a good quarter of it so far, but we're gonna hit this little spot here. Ooh, she's milky on the end there. Definitely gonna let that sit for a bit.
And he'd probably be good within another couple hours or so, ain't it?
All right, I've got 6% battery on the GoPro here, so I'm gonna have to make this snappy, but we just finished. Check it out. I'm so proud of how these steps turned out. Look at that. Wow, I'm so happy with how this turned out. It was 60 bags, yeah. We used every bag. We took it right down to the quarter bag. We had just enough, so thankfully I said grab 10 extra bags. I don't know how I calculated it that bad, but yeah, there it is. That's how you pour a sidewalk with steps using only bags. If you guys watched to the end, thank you, I appreciate it, and stay tuned to the next video.